Okay, well, I tried something. Since I had my wheels for my locked up RC, it came with 4 spacers, so I doubled a spacer up, and it's 0.3775. So I doubled them up on the wheel, and I have plenty of clearance. So, if you can see that way, if you order some new wheels from Locked Up RC, especially the Iconics like this, you can get a .350 wheel spacer, and that should solve your clearance problems as far as that goes. Anyway, I thought you'd like that, so I appreciate you watching. And a big heads up to Locked Up RC, to Chuck, not Chad, Chuck. I appreciate all the tech support, and I will be ordering some .350 wheel spacers to space my wheels out and clear that knuckle. Thank you. Bye.